got mixed up.
No.
Tell Papa it's a banana.
Tell Papa banana.
Tell Papa it's banana pie.
No, it's not. It's
Banana.
an orange.
Papa says orange stick.
Really? What do you think? Is that an orange?
No.
The cherry wraps from me to you, baby. Happy Easter. It is from me to you. I swear to God.
Okay, happy Easter, Daddy.
I told you that yesterday when I was like,
Meron pala ako from Daddy, guys.
you like it?
Yes.
You like cherry wrap?
I don't like cherry wrap.
Really? No, seriously, do you like cherry wrap? I thought you liked cherry wrap.
I don't like. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel.
Why don't the bee?
Huh?
Don't the bee inside my house.
Oh yeah, it's only the bee inside the house. Happy Easter, everyone.
The
It
bee.
is...
The bee's coming in my house.
Yes, anak. It is 1:47 ng hapon. And it is Sunday. And where are we going? Where are we going?
Papa. Oh.
Papa and?
I can't say that.
Papa and?
I can't say that, Mike.
Why?
I have a dress.
Papa and Nani.
Papa Nanny.
Yes. So we're going to celebrate Easter Sunday with them, guys. Yeah. We're gonna do Easter egg hunting for Paris.
Me?
Ayan. So bumili na kami kahapon ng mga eggs and all.
Sky.
Yung mga chocolates. So, dadalhin namin doon sa bahay ng Lolo at Lola ni Daddy Mike. And then, doon kami egg hunting para naman ma-enjoy din ng mga matatanda. O, diba? Diba? And this one, say thank you, Hailey, for my dress.
I can live on a dress.
Do you like it? Ito pala yung binigay ni Hailey, guys. Helen and Jay, thank you so much. Ayan, bagay na bagay kay Baby Paris, oh. Kasyang-kasya sa kanya. And it's very, anak. It's very summery kasi it's too hot today. I think it's maximum 30 degrees. Kaya, ayan. Pakita tayo ng ating abaga. Ayan na, anak. Very colorful kayo, kanak. Tanawon. Super summer, kanak. Summer na summer. Sobrang ganda ng araw, guys. Yan si Daddy Mike. Tinorn on niya yung sasakyan kasi para a little bit cool na siya. Ipasok na tayo. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
So, before pala kami pupunta sa Lolo tsaka Lolo tsaka Lola ni Daddy Mike, guys, pupunta muna kami ng Morabin kasi alam nyo, si mami nyo ay nakakita na naman ng Filipino food online sa ano tawag ito? Pinoy Uber Eats ba yun? Sa Facebook. Tapos may nakita ako na isang pagkain na hindi ko talaga nakain for the longest time. Alam nyo yung, ewan ko kung anong tawag doon sa Tagalog, guys, pero parang bun siya. Pero yung laman ay hindi pork, hindi siya meat, hindi vegetables. Yung laman ay niyog. So yung bukayo ba? So, I don't know. I think the last time na nakain ko yun, guys, when siguro nung sa Pilipinas pa ako nakatira. Kasi kahit na umuwi ako ng Pilipinas before, parang wala akong time or chance na makakita ng ganong pagkain. So, I was very happy nung nakita ko at nag-order talaga ako agad, guys. Kaya dun muna kami pupunta ngayon before sa Lolo tsaka Lola ni Daddy Mike. Apart from that, nag-order din ako ng suman na malagkit. So, yun yung kakainin natin for today. I'm super excited. And yeah, I think we will go na. Nakapasok na silang dalawa. Tingnan nyo ang ating tiyan, guys. Sobrang init kasi, oh. Diba? Naka-shorts lang tayo, guys. Pero, yung ating tiyan ay sobrang klaro. I'll see you later, guys. Dito na kami. Dinala niya ang kanyang suitcase. Kasi gusto niyang ipakita sa nani at papa daw niya. Oh, I love that. I love that bag. It suits you. Wala pa siya sa mood, guys. Wala pa sa mood. Alam niyo ang laman ng suitcase na yan? Mga chocolates. So, mag-egg hunting kami. Don't cry. It's okay.
Yes, I
What do you got?
What do you got?
Hey, hello, Jane, sweetheart.
Hi, Nan.
How are you? So I heard you come in. Oh, you got a case. Any kisses?
I'm Sky.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
It's my Sky.
Yeah.
Kiss.
You kiss Nanny?
I love you. Oh, she was the face.
How are you, Nan?
Hello, darling girl.
It's good to
Nan.
see you.
Happy
See
stuff.
you.
Happy.
Oh, a pretty dress.
Oh.
What Nanny's got for you?
Come inside.
Daddy will carry it. It's okay.
Nanny's got something for you. I'll put down the bottom of the kitchen with the hot.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
It's getting cooler outside, actually.
Johnny,
What is it, Nan?
nothing cold in here.
Yeah, no, it's perfect in here.
Nanny's got from Mum first.
Ooh, have a look.
I'm
Thank you. Thanks, Nan. What is it now?
And look what Nanny's got here. Nanny got them this morning.
Oh my God.
Wow, say thank you.
Thank you, Nanny.
Easter bunny. Where I put her Easter bunny?
Oh, I'll just give it to her, Nan.
Yes.
Thank you. Where's Pa?
He's in the room. He didn't hear us come in. Neither did I.
Ah,
Say thank you. Say thank you.
say thank you, Nanny.
Right, come in.
Say thank you.
You like that? That's all right.
Ayan, guys.
Is it all right?
May bagong laruan na naman.
Can you put that over there for Daddy too?
Where?
There, he's coming.
He's coming. Where did you find him?
He's in the room.
Oh, it's in the room. He's in the room.
He was coming on his way, wasn't he? He was on his way. Oh, how are you?
How are you?
No, it's for girls.
Who's that for?
Girls.
For girls.
For girls?
Michael, could you
Not for boys, for girls.
Oh, well, I'll put a dress on and I'll take
I'll
it.
get it.
We're going to pay for it.
No, I'll get it.
No,
No,
we're going to pay
I've
for
got the
it.
money. Just
We got the
a
money.
minute. Is that your eating? Where did you get that from?
From Nanny.
Oh, no, it wasn't from Danny. It was from me.
Oh, it's for me.
Oh, I get enough.
Is it from Nanny or from Papa?
From Nanny.
Oh, it's from Nanny.
Oh,
It's from Nanny. It's not from Papa. Are you sure?
No, not Papa's. It's my for girls.
Oh. No, I think like that's from Nanny and Papa.
it doesn't matter, does it? I saw you had a party the other day. Again and again and again.
Yeah.
Don't you get sick of parties?
Always party. Tell Papa you got lots of presents
Yeah, have another
from your party.
present.
I'll take it home if you're not.
What was the name of that lady that came to your house?
The blue dress.
What do you want, Pop?
What?
Which feature do you want?
I don't really care that one.
The blue dress.
What one have you got?
That was
I
Elsa.
don't care what you get.
Yeah.
Tell Papa
What do
it's
you-
Elsa.
What do you Nan usually get? Mum get that for them for you.
What have you get? You get it for yourself. Just get 2 pieces.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay, Papa is
Yeah, well, you
cooking.
get what you want.
You get what you want and we'll
And
have what you
you're also going to have...
Yummy.
What is this one?
Pizza!
Pizza.
Yeah.
You got a sweet sweetheart?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you want real clothes that look like
Nah, that's fine then. That's fine.
the soda's washing up?
Wow.
Oh, yummy. Oh, look at the cheese.
There you go.
Yeah.
Say thank you,
Some
Daddy.
cheese. Say thank you.
I
There you
think
go.
that's cheese.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
Ah,
I'll eat the cheese.
yummy.
Now,
Put some tissues on the table.
So we're hiding them now, guys. Tingnan nyo. Iniwan muna namin si Paris sa loob para hindi niya makita, of course. Ayan, nakalagay ko dyan, dyan. Ayan, dyan. And then there. Dito, ayan. Oh. Para maghanap-hanap siya. Meron dyan isa. Daddy's hiding it too. Meron dyan. Very halata kayo to siya, guys. Hayaan niya na. And then, we'll put one here. Mga lemon seed. Nandiyan kasi pa dito, guys. Put one here. Yan. Makita yan ni Paris. Oh. Yan. Wala na dito.
The cherry wraps for you, Bobby.
Huh?
The cherry wraps from me to you.
What is that?
The cherry wraps. Wait, hold on. Want to video this? The cherry wraps from me to you, baby. Oh. Kiss it. Happy Easter.
Daddy.
It is from me to you. I swear to God.
Okay, happy Easter, Daddy.
I told you yesterday when I was like,
Meron pala ako from Daddy, guys.
you like it?
Yes.
You like cherry wrap?
I don't like cherry wrap.
Really? No, seriously, do you like cherry wrap? I thought you like cherry wrap.
I don't like cherry wrap, Daddy.
Really?
Yeah. But I like it just it's because it's from you. That one. Hi, that one too.
Without sky pops.
Nah, forget that.
Put that away.
It's alright, Ethan. We're still gonna put.
No, just put it away because then she'll know that you're not the Easter bunny. Put it away. I'll hide it, it's okay. Just put it away.
Just make sure, Bob, that it's not too hidden,
no,
Bob.
No, like.
Come on, she's coming.
Put the thing away.
Banana.
Now you've got them mixed up.
No.
Tell Papa it's a banana.
Tell Papa no.
Tell Papa say
Say, it's a banana pa.
it's banana pie.
No, it's not. It's an orange.
Papa says orange stick.
Really? What do you think? Is that an orange?
No, this is yellow.
A yellow. Okay.
Hi guys, say this is yellow.
Oh,
Yes,
no,
Papa.
no.
Not orange, it's yellow.
Yeah, that's
It's
orange
yellow.
is yellow.
No, this is orange.
What about it being a lemon?
Oh.
No, it's
No.
Lemons,
banana.
lemons are yellow.
Oh my goodness.
This is.
Yeah, Poppy gets it all mixed up. Doesn't he? Poppy will say that's
Yes, it's coming.
He's coming. Wait, I can't see him.
He's outside bringing the eggs.
He's outside bringing the eggs with him.
Took the eggs. It's for me. Hey, they gave it for me.
They're for me.
No, it's not hiding. It's right there.
Who's the eggs for?
Hey, yeah, listen, mate. You know.
For there, come on. It's right here. Come on.
So come on, pa.
Come on,
Hey.
hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hey, the Easter bunny the Easter bunny wanted to give this to Nanny and Pa.
You give it to Nanny.
Give it to Nanny and Pa. The Easter bunny said that's for Nanny and Pa.
Oh, thank you, my little darling girl. Thank you.
That's okay, Nan.
Yeah, thank you, darling girl.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome, Nan.
Thank you, darling.
That's alright.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, that's lovely.
Hiding.
Yeah, well, you have to find them. Go.
Oh,
You're good at finding stuff.
yeah.
Careful, Baba. Be careful. It's okay, Mama will hold. Just
She
go
right.
there. Yep. Oh, good, Nan. Thank you. There you go. You have to find them. We have to wait for the basket. Call Daddy.
Daddy.
Hey, come on, Papa and Daddy.
Come on, Papa and Daddy. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Easter Bunny's
Oh,
waiting.
this? Now, you need to put the eggs in this.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that one.
And then you gotta fight, and then you gotta give them back to
Then I
Daddy,
forgot
and then
about
put them
that
in
one.
here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, look where you're going.
You can keep that one if you want it. For your Easter eggs.
All right.
Okay, go. See if you can find any.
The bunny hid them, so you said, go find them, Paris.
He did. He come last night and he went,
You're very good at finding, so
Yes, yeah, Paris is.
you found one already.
Found one already.
Put it in your basket.
Is that good?
We're gonna get nuts.
You're gonna get lost.
Oh, I don't
Put another one there.
Oh, you found another one. Oh my goodness.
I put
Ah, she's so good.
so good.
I found one there.
Do you want me to get it for you?
No.
No, I don't think you can get it.
I put a bigger.
No, there's prickles there. Let me go get it.
You're a big girl. No, she's alright, love.
Let's go get it, Mommy. It's right there.
Okay, you found one again.
Let's get it, Mommy.
Daddy will get it for you. It's too high.
Too high.
There you go.
I put my basket.
Okay, there's your basket.
Look,
Okay.
There's one more.
I'd love it.
I found one.
I'll get it for you. Stop. I'll get it for you.
Yes, this is one.
Watch out. You keep looking and I'll put this in your basket.
Put there. It's orange one.
There you go. You go find your eggs. Come on.
I found one there. Oh, goodness.
Oh, you did it? Oh, good.
Be careful. Watch your eyes.
I found one.
Oh, wow, Paris. So good.
Good girl.
Where's one?
There's more.
You have to find them.
I found one there.
Go get it.
Susan, pick up that ball. I'll throw them.
That's right here, Mommy.
That's a big one.
Just leave one of
That's
them
too
there.
big.
That's alright. Put in the big basket.
I think it's small.
Wow, the Easter Bunny's giving you lots of eggs already.
Show me.
This.
Show Mama.
I found one there.
You found one there, Daddy. You missed it.
Where?
Paris found it.
There.
Where was it?
There. There's there more. There's more. What?
Oh, we got big basket.
Yeah, I know. I've seen it.
There's more here.
There's more there.
I found one.
Oh,
Where? Oh.
You lost it.
oh, look at that.
Shake it. Shake it.
Wow.
Candy.
Smarties.
Be careful.
What?
Can you find more? Is there more?
I don't know.
Any
I
more?
want that.
Oh, I can. Oh, look. Oh my goodness.
Count.
How many?
3.
3.
Watch your eyes.
Watch your eyes.
Wow.
Good girl.
Wow.
Find more.
Gotta find more.
Yay.
Where's some?
You have to look. You have to look.
I'll find one. I will get it.
You'll get it.
Oh, that's lovely.
I can find more.
Oh,
Where's mine?
I think you nearly found them all, honey.
No, there's more.
Where? I just saw it says one.
Have a look all around. You have to look everywhere.
I don't saw it.
You have to look everywhere.
Where? I found one in the tree.
Alright, do you want me to get it for you?
Yes, please.
yes, please. Oh,
I put in my basket.
Please.
Please. There's five more.
Okay. Find more. There's more.
Uh,
Okay. Put all the eggs in your big basket now.
where's the one?
Put that in your big basket, and then we'll keep finding.
Wow. There's more.
Where?
You have to find it.
I don't
Have a
saw.
look. Have a look everywhere. Look all around.
Ang dami na nahanap eh.
I found one.
oh, another one.
Where's one?
Wow.
Wow, gee whiz.
So good, Paris.
That is a good boy.
Where's one more?
Oh, go have a look.
I can put in the basket.
You found them all.
And then you go and count. Tell me how many there is.
Yay.
How many have you got?
Good girl.
Can you count?
Count them all.
Wow. Wow, so many.
Bring the basket.
Go bring the basket. Help. That way. You hold that way. Anak, hold that side.
Let's carry the
Yeah,
basket.
just put that here and hold this.
Come on.
There. Okay. So heavy.
Are you strong?
Yes, strong. So,
And you
Did
count.
you have fun?
yeah.
You count.
Okay, count.
You need to count them.
Okay.
Which one is for me?
Are you gonna give some to Pa?
This one.
Thank you. That's for me.
No, what did I eat first? Go with the eating table.
All right.
Okay. You need to put them in the basket and count each one.
1,
Yeah.
2,
Put it in the basket and count. Ready? What's that? 1.
1,
How many?
1,
No, that's 2.
3,
3.
4,
4.
5,
5. 6. How many? 7. 7.
7. What's next?
8. Count. You count.
You can, Paris. Sky, you can.
Come on. You want to start again? You want to start again?
yeah.
Okay, you got to start again because I want you to count it for me, okay? I want
So
you to
we'll
count.
know how many.
Alright, start.
1,
Ready?
2,
Go. Let's go. 1. Put
3,
it.
4,
No, put it in the basket and count. So, ready? 1. 2. You count.
You can.
3,
Yep.
4,
Good.
5,
Good.
6,
Good.
7,
Good.
8,
Good.
11,
That's 9.
9,
9,
10.
10.
10, 11,
11.
Hey.
12,
12. Good girl.
Hey.
13,
13. That was very good.
13,
14.
14, 16,
15.
Hey.
17,
16. 16.
16,
Yeah, 16.
Hey. 17.
I still have more here.
Come on. 17.
17,
Hey.
I agree.
18.
18,
19. 19. 20.
20.
Say 20.
20,
Good
21.
girl.
21.
How many have you got?
Say 21, mommy.
21.
Now,
Great
did you
job.
Did you say thank you to the Easter Bunny?
Where's the Easter Bunny?
Did you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
Where's the Easter bunny?
Look up in the sky.
Up
Say
there.
thank you, Easter Bunny.
Where's the Easter bunny?
He's watching you.
He's
in the cloud.
listening.
Oh, yes.
Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Easter bunny.
Say, see
So are you gonna give Pa one or what?
Now you gotta choose which one you want to give to Pa.
You can give me this one.
Oh,
No, that's for me.
Which one's for Pa?
No. What about this one?
No,
You-
this one.
You
What
choose.
about this one?
No.
Choose which one to give to Pa.
What about this?
Okay, that looks good
look
to
at
me.
that one, Pa.
Say thank you.
I want me to eat people.
Sharing is
Oh.
caring.
All right.
Sharing is caring. Give one to Pa.
No, want me to
Just
eat-
one.
No, I'll just eat table.
No, you just.
She wants to put it on the table, Daddy.
On the
Yeah,
table.
yeah. When we go inside, all right?
Yeah.
That right?
Yes, yes.
Do you want to ride your bike? Do
Can you
wanna ride your
remember
bike?
now? Can you remember how many you've got?
Do you want to take the bike for a ride and show Papa?
No?
I'm gonna give him the bike.
Yeah, we'll get the bike. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, give him the
You
bike.
can have that basket,
Let's put.
Michael.
No, it's yours.
I don't want the basket.
We don't need the basket.
Time check tayo, guys.
Why my son Oli?
Okay, thank you, sweetheart.
You have one. Oli, small. You want her too? Yeah, only have a small one.
Okay, only have a small one. Thank you very much, sweetheart.
Mommy,
Time check, guys. It's now 8 o'clock ng gabi and kakauwi lang namin from Nana and Papa. Ayan.
Let's
But hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo yung binili ko from the, yung Filipino na, kakanin. So, hindi ko na maipapakita sa inyo yung bukayo, guys. I-insert ko na lang yung photo. Nag-take ako ng picture kasi kinain ko na lahat. Alam niyo naman sa atin, sabi ko sa inyo, very excited ako para doon. And sabi ko nga sa kay ate na, parang nadismaya ako na yung in-order ko 3 lang. Dapat sana 6 yung in-order ko, guys. Anyways, next time, order tayo ulit. Pero kasi guys, mga around 30 minutes yung drive, guys, papunta sa kanila pag pick up. So, hindi masyadong malapit, guys. Alam mo yun. But, yung naiwan na lang dito ay yung suman na malagkit. Hindi ko pa na-open. Ayan. Yan. Oh. Ayan. Dami pa. Tapos may, guys, panglapit. Yan. I-end na natin yung vlog dito, guys, ha? Kasi kakain pa ako ng suman. Thank you everyone for watching our video. As always, appreciate ko yung time niyo, guys. We will just do a quick shout out, and the first one goes to Ice Suson, Feli Lamparo, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, Lucrecia Dili-Dili, Lovely Dugomeo, Calvin Burinaga, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Pia 25, Mercy Narito, Maricar Castaneda, Rinar Mary Caverta, Evelyn Gonzalez Cota, Luz Tiongson, Annalie Adana, Adeline Belo, Ruby de la Rosa, Fe Guarnes, Cherry May Ongayo, Loleta La Cuesta, Salvacion Miguel, Mylene Franco, Olivia Vilza Morales, Joanne Ambe, Elsa Serrano, Flora Ferrer, and Mami Rosa Balye. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, a thumbs up. A thumbs up. Okay. Now, don't forget to be good. And if you can, bye. Come. Close it. Come. Give him a kiss first, and then you close it.